Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device model and operating system so you target the correct settings. Once done, make sure the battery is above 20% or connect power to avoid interruptions. You also back up or note any app-specific battery rules because removing a global battery saver can change per-app behavior. Now open Settings, search for Battery or Power, and tap into Battery Saver or Power Saving so you're ready to modify or disable the feature immediately. You now open the Battery or Power Settings panel and locate Battery Saver, Power Saving Mode, or Adaptive Battery. Once selected, toggle the main switch off and watch for confirmation prompts. This re-enables full device performance. Then inspect schedules or adaptive rules and disable automatic activation so it won't restart on low battery. You should also review background activity controls and grant exemptions to apps that need continuous operation to avoid unintended kills after disabling the saver. You finish by rebooting the device to ensure full power profiles apply to CPU and network stacks. This stabilizes performance. Once rebooted, monitor battery drain for 24 hours to confirm behavior matches expectations and tweak screen brightness, sync intervals, or connectivity to balance life versus performance. If you see excessive drain or apps misbehaving, try resetting battery settings or boot into safe mode to isolate a problematic app. That troubleshooting step usually reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.